This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, today's update on the gold market will be quite short, although it could sound curious because is the strong direction is the shorter the update on the gold market. But when the market stands in the doom and gloom, it makes no sense to think about some future perspective for the long period of time, because situation changes quite rapidly. This move to the downside was not due to the blast in the Boston. This is just, as I think, that is just because the breakout of the significant support area that we have discussed previously. That's the 1530, 1525 area, and this area that has significant importance as from the technical point of view, as from the fundamental point of view on the monthly time frame. The really big picture has triggered the sell-off on the market. The sell-off spiral has started to spin out, and more and more assets, more and more fans and investors shifted to the selling of the gold market. Now, if you will take a look at the monthly time frame, you will see that gold market is oversold as it never been, and the plunge down that has happened yesterday was the largest fall on the gold market within its long history. Daily fall. That's just extremely moved to the downside. Well, on the daily time frame, in the short-term perspective, I see only a single setup on the gold market that could be traded in the today and maybe today-tomorrow trading sessions, and that setup is the Judd Napoli Brent buy sell. You know that this pattern based on the momentum, and we have now, nobody probably will start to argue that we have now the solid momentum to the downside. It's really solid plunge down. The idea of this trade is that trying to sell the rally that market could show, with the hope that the momentum will press prices down and market will hit the minimum target of the Brent buy trade. For instance, you can see market has stopped this fall and start to move to the downside as the retracement. The idea of the Judd Napoli Brent buy trade is that market should reach significant area of resistance with the 1, 2 or 3 closes above this green line. That is the 3x3 moving average. So for instance, market should close above it. First level to watch is 13 sharp. It's right here, this 3-8 resistance of the thrusting move. Or market could proceed slightly higher, probably to the 50% support. That's two levels that are more suitable for tracking as the potential levels for the starting of the Brent buy trade. So this reaching of this level or 50% support should happen with no more than 3 closes above the 3x3 moving average, and then market should start under impact of the momentum, starting continuation to the downside. The minimum target of this trade is the 618 support of the whole backward move. That is some sort of the scalp trade on the 4-hour time frame, but since volatility has increased significantly, this will be not small move, I suppose. As you can see, for instance, market will even start move down from the 14 even area to the downside. The 618 support will stand around 1330, 1350 areas. So that's $50 per contract. So it's not small move to the downside. So that's only the setup that I see currently. Because you can see what now is happening on the market is just makes no sense to plan something with the perspective of the couple of days even. So we just need to find a short-term setup, trade it, take profit fast, and do not marry any position. That's the major idea when you're trading and dealing with such nervous market as the gold now is. Well, and if you let me, the couple of words about the long perspective, but based on the monthly time frame. I suspect that we now have and probably will get, as the April month will close, we will get the volatility breakout pattern on the monthly time frame. That's really significant. From the perspective of this pattern, market could show the deep retracement, and I think that the retesting of the 1530 area is still possible, but it will come a bit later, because volatility, after the volatility breakout, we'll see the downward continuation, but usually market before that shows deep retracement in opposite direction. If market will close as it is on the end of the April, then we no doubt will have the volatility breakout pattern. And the advantage of this pattern is that we will get the context for trading for the long time ahead. That will be very lucky for us if this will happen, because you will get the direction, you will get the understanding of what is going on in the gold market, and that let you wisely trying to trade on the market, on the gold market in the long-term perspective. That will be a really huge assistance if we will get this pattern, because in this case we will clearly understand what is going on and how we should act to catch the downward continuation, because it will follow if market really will show the volatility breakout pattern. But that's a bit extended view. We will discuss it definitely in our next weekly research in the current weekend, because that could give us really a significant setup. There's a thrilling setup for the gold market in the long term ahead. But in the short term, as I said, since market stands with the doom and gloom and the huge volatility growing on the gold market, since the really significant sell-off has started from the investment funds and all investors now selling the gold, well, we need to catch the short-term setups, scalp trade setups, and take profit fast. Do not marry in position. We should not try to create the plan or some, I don't know, to develop any long-term perspective for trading on the gold market. Just scalp trade, definite setup, definite patterns, take profit fast, and take the rest. That's all that we could do currently on the gold market. At least I think that this is most acceptable way to trade gold market currently. When it will come down this market, then probably we could take a bit larger view on the perspective, on the medium-term perspective. But currently, I think that the scalp trading and the short-term setups, as we have now on the 4-hour time frame on gold, is most acceptable way to trade gold market.